Remember a few weeks ago when I did the Amazon wardrobe kind of unboxing type of thing, and I had a couple cutaways in there where I did like a sound effect as I moved from one shot to the next. I wanted to show you the hack that I used on how to do that. So here we are in the sound booth. This is how we did it. So we're just gonna take this off, and then it's really as simple as this. I sat in the parking lot outside the office one day because I conceived this idea while I was on the way in, and sat here and went like this. So that's what we did. That's what I did. So now let's take some of those sound effects and see how they would look if we went from a couple of different shots. And that's it. It's all in your imagination. You've got the tools. If you've got a car, if you've got a closet, and you've got some type of a microphone on your camera, on your phone, which I bet you do, I bet you do, I bet you do, I bet you do. You can do it. That's it. It's always so difficult for me to find like the right effect that I want, but I can hear it, and just took a shot at trying to make them. So have some fun with it. See you soon.